What's up, everybody? Truck and Biker here. Another mail call. Because I'm Truck and Biker. And I got stickers. And I'm from Texas. And I'm a trucker. So, there you go. And we're going to walk around and... Oh, God. Sorry. It's me tripping over the pressure of being a YouTuber. Anyway, Truck and Biker. Texas trucker, biker. Truck and Biker.
What's up, guys? You've all seen the new fad going on with moto vloggers and stuff, where we've all got to go on, we've got to do a little video about somebody sent us something. It's Truck and Biker. Kick the intro. We'll get into it. Okay, so all these guys are sending letters to everybody, and I got stickers, and I got this, and yeah, I got one too. Let's see. The smallest envelope that could be possible. Yeah. What up, trucking? Oh, hey, look, I finally got this shit in the mail for you. Yeah, my reading sucks. Enjoy the rust covers and bottle breaker. Thanks for the support. Of all the people, everything grinds his gears. He's in on this too. They really get a cool bottle opener. Reflective stickers. And of course, grinds my gears. Ben's a good guy. I did this as like a big joke. He's got a good sense of humor. You guys go check him out. Yeah, I went to the full lengths to try to do as much as I could to make fun of Ben in this one, since he does it to everybody else. He's a good guy. I was going to include a couple of other people, but he does a lot for a lot. Like, seriously, he does a toy run, has been for the last 15 years. Really cool dude. He's got an entire series, if you don't watch his channel, called Grinds My Gears. It's all tongue-in-cheek, satirical stuff that we all kind of complain or bitch about, and we all think it's ridiculous, but Ben does these whole skits that's just hilarious the way he does it. I wanted to do it that way, and I tried a couple of different ways. This is like my 4th time filming this, and I either came off just couldn't film because I was laughing too hard at the shit I was saying, or it just came off so bad asshole there was no way to take it satirically. Like, it was bad. Those videos will never see the light of day. But I wanted to do this, and Ben, get out of here. You grind my gears.